You're watching How Leap. Let's learn how to clear RAM on your Android phone to improve performance. First, close all recent taps. Swipe up from the bottom and hold, or tap the Recent Taps button, then swipe each app window away. For a more thorough clear, use the built-in Device Care tool. On Samsung phones, open Settings, tap Device Care, then Memory. Tap Clean Now. This closes background apps and frees RAM. On other Android phones, go to Settings, then Storage or Memory, and look for a similar option. You can also use the developer options. First, enable developer options by going to Settings, About Phone, and tapping build number 7 times. Then go back to Settings, System, Developer Options. Scroll to find Running Services and tap it. This shows apps using RAM. You can stop individual services, but be careful not to stop system processes. Another method is to restart your phone, which clears all RAM. To prevent RAM filling up quickly, limit background processes in developer options by setting background process limit to at most for processes. Uninstall unused tabs and disable bloatware. Avoid using too many live wallpapers or widgets. These steps will help maintain available RAM for smoother multitasking. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.